long. I'm gonna buy more food to get there. I'll be right back.
That was ridiculous.
How you doing? We got cards. You don't want it? I don't want it.
I'm trying to decide.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Yeah, thank you. That's true. Oh, I don't know where it is. I know. The last stall. Okay.
Can we get a turkey leg and a bottle of water?
I saw the buffalo sauce. I'm like, oh, I need that.
I know I have these things, but I wasn't sure how to use them. Yeah. That's a turkey leg.
Yeah.
You go to a restaurant here and not have a turkey leg here.
For real. I've never tried
Come in, Florida.
They had stopped coming here 2 years ago. Now they're back. I'm gonna off the woodwork here. He's pretty fun.
I think so. We got local right now, huh? He was a weatherman.
Huh?
He was a weatherman.
Was he?
Yes.
So I know he grew up in a circus.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, he was also on America's Got Talent.
so yeah, he was a weatherman before that.
No,
So when you start this,
All right.
you on this, like up like 2 line or something. Like,
I'm not worried about it.
yeah. Yeah.
No. That's not a problem.
Yeah, Grace like pork, right? They're good though.
Did you get a full piece?
Oh my god, these are great. Yeah, fuck you.
Damn, beef.
I hate these. It's so much fun. Oh! I want to find this earthquake.
You can do it, right?
I want to find it. I almost
Yeah.
got a bullseye.
No way. Did I tell you I won second place in the United States Championship?
No shit! I don't even know how to do
I was 10 years old.
That's the coolest thing ever. Yeah.
Her mom used to go to my school.
No shit.
Yeah. With the rabbit herd?
Right?
I look like I'm confused, but I don't know what I want to be.
I love it though.
I don't know how, but
I know what you are. You're Merlin, who also joined tonight to the round table after Arthur became.
there you go. Oh, get out of here.
Ah, finally, it's after you instead of me.
It went after me in line, too. Yeah.
I know we showed it. Fucking love the Faire since you want. Yeah. The beer feels not perfect.
Get out of here, man. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Look, turkey leg word.
There's 2 of them.
Quick, dump your water on.
It's obsessed with...
Oh, I want to get another thing of meat after.
Okay.
I hate bees.
What are you doing after me still? I get near my water.
You can come back now.
Oh, I can't. Don't come back.
You don't bother me, but once you land on me,
Yeah, they weren't out back.
oh, did you leave them up there?
I'm like, yeah, they're like,
I'm out of here. All right.
Okay, bring them back. What the hell?
oh, you wouldn't have the fork line of fish.
Every single time I put this down.
You remind me of a caveman.
What?
You just reminded me of a caveman. You were dragging me crazy.
All right. 30 beers per person. Oh, gosh, I gotta put this down at the table. I can stuff it. Right? I do not have my first plate.
Abby, look that way.
Yeah?
And then have your turkey leg down here.
Oh, God.
Wear it like a dick.
Right, face that way. Come on. Hurry up before people start looking. Face that way.
No, do it when people are looking.
Yeah, everyone's looking. Go ahead.
I got it.
Go ahead.
Oh, God.
Look at me. Look at me smile.
I love it. That's perfect. You perfect when you do that shit here, dude. That's amazing, actually. Showing that. You actually look really good in that picture.
And now you're eating it.
Oh, what the heck?
That's amazing. You actually look really good in that picture, though, not gonna lie.
That's funny.
He wants to eat his own meat. Wait.
Right, didn't Marilyn need to remove a rib to do that?
I was acting
like that.
I was just acting like I
All
didn't
that
hear
going
that.
around before the internet. Every school could do that.
Yeah. Oh, I remember. I was in fucking elementary school when we were talking about that.
My God.
That's actually probably true to be.
What's on my turkey
I think
leg?
all my friends are playing my
Wow.
They're too young now.
You can't have my meat.
No, not Erica. I don't want to say to Erica. It'd be horrible. She doesn't even know him.
Dude, that'd be funny.
Sending that picture to Erica Mars across the street.
I told Matt and Joe, if you guys leave early from the car, I'll drive you back to the place after. Because I'm staying.
Come over to play video game?
Depends on how tired I am.
You just have to drive to the driveway, no matter what.
Yeah, that's fine. But staying is...
Oh, okay.
Back.
Fuck you, dude.
Fucking
Anybody want some fries?
We're gonna be late. What the hell?
yeah. That's why I'm saying that.
You want the fries?
Sounds good.
Okay, I'm gonna dump them then. Oh yeah. Fuck that beef.
Ah!
Literally. That'll be funny though.
No, thank you. I don't want to get stung there.
No. Ouch.
Ah!
Ah, there's one. Oh, are you done?
I'm not.
Avoiding the beef?
Yeah.
Oh, then join me to the garbage.
Alright.
There's a bee in the garbage. Don't join all the way.
Right.
Alright, where the fuck is my lip?
What?
Came over with two early cars.
Hey.
I tried to stop them, but they were like, I'm going to fucking sting you, and I hope they take it.
Yeah. They told you that?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's another crap. I knew for a fact I had those things over.
Oh, Joe.
Ah, right.
Me too.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you got it.
Seriously, that's like
I can't remember.
Whatever.
I think you won it.
FYI, it's like leaving cash laying around. Don't do that, please.
That was temporary. I was
Oh, no, you gave me the money to win it.
I literally could see it from over there.
So how come you didn't know she took it?
How come you didn't know Nick took it and gave it to me?
How come you didn't know bees flew away with it?
Bees flew away.
Okay.
I love that story.
No, especially if she's sitting on top and anyone could have just grabbed it.
That is true.
Any
They wouldn't
bee,
hear.
any bee could have just grabbed it.
Any bee.
I figured they would.
You can't just figure, I guess. You
Ah.
have to be careful.
Anyway.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Stuck in my industrial bar.
So Raven's gonna show us how good she is at archery.
Yeah, good.
You gotta show me.
We gotta find that. They also have throwing stars and stuff in the same area.
Is this what you're looking for?
Yes. Thank you.
The old lipstick?
The old liquid lipstick, yeah. I can't stay like this.
Can't see anything.
Because it looks off.
Look at you.
He looks better than me with his lipstick.
Yeah, like that. Do it again.
Don't look there.
No, it looks good like that.
Oh, you look like a baby with a straddle.
No,
No, you were supposed to go like this.
He looks like a baby with his rattle.
Oh, it looks good. I like that.
Oh yeah, bite that meat.
Oh God! I got lipstick on my fucking chin.
Here's a fucking.
Oh my goodness.
You look like a baby with his rattle.
I think you look like a traveler in contemplation, personally.
Kinda, yeah. You don't take a night one.
No. That's how they used to say it.
Really?
Yeah. That's why there's a K in front of it. Yeah. In Old English, they pronounce it K's. You didn't know that? Oh.
What would they say? Whoa, that's a big one. Holy shit, what are you?
That's a... Oh my God, that's a...
Matthew, it's okay.
Sounds like a Mongol would be.
Oh, that's hilarious.
What?
There we go. That's
What?
good.
He does look like a baby with a rattle.
He's gonna make it forward and then look at everything.
Oh God, he's really working that bone.
Nice. Oh, I like that. That's actually pretty cool.
Raven thinks weird things.
I do. That's why I'm here.
Jill thinks you're a big nerd.
I am a big nerd. Proud of it. Better than what my aunt would say about when I go to Anime Boston. The weirdos are back in town.
Nice. I've never been. You ever been to like Comic-Con?
Unfortunately, well, Boston Comic Con I have. It was boring, but I was
I've
alone.
just been to like the Los Angeles one or whatever.
Oh,
Did they do,
San
like, the
Diego.
Marvel shit? Yeah, yeah.
San Diego.
Yeah.
I would kill to go to that.
Imagine being there and seeing Robert Downey Jr.
I'd fucking
How
die.
do you get into that?
I would. Oh, a lot of money. A lot of money for that con.
You gotta blow RGJ. Matthew, you're
Probably. Huh?
Matthew, you're
Have you
I've never
been to
been.
a convention period? Oh, bro!
to
Next
Boston
year
this year?
we're going to
Like-
we're going to Fan Expo next year. We're doing it.
I don't know if
What's
it's
the
not that
difference
big of a
between
draw fair, but that's what it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Is that like a giant COVID? Oh, I thought it was a giant COVID molecule.
That would be funny, but no, it's a dandelion. No, dude, next year I'm going anyways. You guys can have a Fan Expo with me.
What's in between that and Comic-Con?
Pretty much nothing.
What do you mean?
They're both just nerd conventions. Yeah.
I kind of want to do Comic-Con.
Yeah? We'll have to look at that one. It's expensive
Is
and
it?
crowded. Yeah.
I've never been.
Either way, it's
Oh. Yeah, they're getting pricey. Fan Expo's just cheaper. But yeah, we can look at that.
We'll get our what I wish to with Fan Expo.
I want to go to PAX.
Because we're virgins.
Oh, shit, yeah. Bruh. Oh, I used to go to multiple cons every year. So, they kind of got very fun taking out.
Okay.
Because some of the cosplayers have gotten kind of pretentious.
Yeah.
Well, Fan Expo was actually good. So, I don't want to... Smash Bros. Melee tournament again. I almost won last year.
So you like dress up in Smash Brothers and like smash people? Or you
That
play
would
the
be
game?
awesome. Oh, it's the game. But
Oh.
Yeah, it's a gaming tournament. Yeah. But,
Oh,
well,
Matthew would love that.
I don't know if... Yeah, no, we hit the game room. I don't know...
Yes! Wait.
You got it in.
No. You have sauce in your frill. You have a sauce in frill.
Oh, and it's still backwards, too. To be fair, it's identical on both sides, except for that tag.
There's a giant V in her back and you don't know why.
No. I want to know it. I left my good one at home.
You got a sauce on which?
Not a dress.
Free sauce?
Probably. It is Wish. There's Link and Zelda over there. Mr. I don't know Zelda. Yeah!
Oh, where?
Huh?
I think I took a picture of the front.
Nice.
I
do the I want to be a minstrel in this thing so bad. It's just too far, so I never go to the audition. I love it. I love this fucking song.
And before a judge and a jury, the next morning I was asked to appear. And the judge, he said to me, dear boy, your case it is proven quite clear. You'll be given 7 years penal servitude and sent far away from the
Can you go there yet?
far away.
Dragon Pets?
Oh, no, we didn't. We went to the one next to it. Ah! Wait, don't move! Damn it!
Hey, Tata.
Oh, yeah.
Listen after me, like, as I have the actual thing. So come on, you jolly young fellows.
That's cool.
Alright, hold on, where are you? You landed in Rocky land. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. You think she was queen of the land. And her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. You think she was queen of the land. And her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. That works too. Chill.
Oh, yay. Do they have meat here, too? Oh, look at that line. Oh, I want that bottle holder. Money. I'll get one of those.
I can do a 5 bottle.
They were saying it's a local wine shop, so we should go. Wine something.
That was actually really bad. That looks good.
Oh, it looks like toothless.
Kinda.
Yeah, oh,
Kinda does.
I was only...
It's one of the greatest fucking movies ever.
Why is there fucking...
It's how to train.
Man, what are you watching?
Nick, it's how to train.
I am about to.
Why do you hang out with me?
All day, every day.
You want to get a dragon?
Not a death. He needs them. Then it makes
Faux
sense.
pas. What are we doing?
I don't know. You said you wanted to see the shop.
So we shot one.
Okay.
Cool.
If I had the money, I'd get one because that was actually a really cute dragon.
Mazzy, you want to buy a dragon?
Want to buy me?
Sorry, right?
$50, are you?
Here, you got $50.
Look at the ocarina. I am Because I don't know how to play it.
Oh, okay.
I got the song. How does Gary sound?
You want to play Gary?
This is what Gary sounds like. He's a sixth operator.
So we just left it on the bench.
Gary's got a good. I like the picture.
What?
The pretty lady up there.
You played your record. You beat me to it.
I did.
Wow. Right?
You guys only close hairs are online.
I've been saying, hey, ocarina all day.
That kind of looks like the lady's pub.
It does, except better. Again, 19 air. I think it's from Wish or something. I love that song, sorry. That's my favorite song of the game. I will kill you, Nathan.
Okay, so it's like
He didn't know what this was, so I'm like, you don't know Zelda, so he's been doing it all fucking day. Oh my god, this is my favorite song in the game. It made me so happy. I will kill you, Nate.
That's funny. It's my favorite song in the game, too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright.
So is Songbird Ocarinas?
Yes.
Thank you. I don't have enough today, but I want that pretty late one. It sounds pretty and looks pretty. It's great.
You like play them?
Maybe.
he's a knight again.
Hey, you're a knight again.
Night
What
again.
happened to the Merlin?
Night again.
Night again.
Don't worry, I still
Oh, they got
got
some
the
shaped
hat.
like bones. I want to go see those.
They have no shit like that.
Oh, that's so cool.
I'm sorry, I like your shoes on.
Those are 40?
And there's one more left of a very unique one-off skill here. That's Little Mister.
Oh, nice.
Good job.
That's nice.
This one's so good.
That is a nice one.
He makes it look easy.
Well, yeah, I'm sure he knows how.
We've been doing it for a little while, but
Oh, yeah, little birdie.
yeah, we got the water birds. They sound, you know, they need a little bit of water. You angle it so it sharp.
That's cool. That's the coolest thing
It
ever.
was spit when it came out of there.
Oh yeah, you know, you
Water.
a couple times you just fill with.
Yeah,
Oh.
you just fill it with that.
Anyway, no, just a little bit of water.
Okay.
We have a little tree film, and then if you're interested, the one for 15 or 2 for 20.
Oh, that's not
Oh,
bad.
that's not bad at all. That's cool.
Wow.
That was super cool.
Like the Moana stuff. Goes with my tattoo.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I want that one. I feel like we both need a Pokeball, but they're like a little acorn
I just
too.
want to show you the different ways.
Yes, I was looking at those. I don't know how much they are. We should ask.
Is this Dr. Who?
Huh?
Dr. Who?
Is this doctor? Oh, you are serious? Oh no, that's Zelda.
Oh, that's Zelda again?
Yes. Got the Zelda symbol on it.
He really doesn't know that.
This one looks like a...
I love the little acorn. Oh, it's yeah, it's
I need that.
Actually, where do you see do you have any people who put their mouths on
What was that about?
What?
What was that about? What the heck happened there?
What happened?
I
Never
want to see
mind.
if they have let it go in the video.
Let-
Because I'm a fucking user.
You missed the wrap off over there.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh
my
they were
God.
like wigging out.
That's hilarious.
That is hilarious.
What are you looking
Let's
for?
get some footage.
The Disney song. I want to see it. There's one.
This one I chose
want to see what songs I got. They do. Huh?
Yeah. Sounds good. Nice.
How much is it?
Right? There's so many varieties. If you go to South America, they come in many different shapes and sizes. Endless variety.
What's up, dog?
Yeah. I'm excited to and then I'll make a fool of myself after.
Okay, I'll get you the right one.
So the tax comes up to 1062.
Okay.
You got change?
I will just continue this because I don't get
Okay, thank you.
That is RTE2 sliding whistle. There. And then you slide that in and out.
For a second there, I thought you were flying an Ocarina.
Oh, no, I came with this one. This one's not as good as your guys', honestly.
To be honest with you, unfortunately, I was trying to keep quiet. It is the worst one.
Yeah, it
You
is.
want to know why? Look at the placement of the finger holes.
Yeah.
You see how they're off?
Are they?
Yes.
Oh.
So instead of landing up here, you see how it kind of goes like that?
Yeah, it curves around.
It should be.
Straight.
No, not straight. It should be rounded.
Oh, more curved.
More curved, see?
Yeah. Yeah, I got this one online for the prop. I'm planning to go to your website to get a nice one, though. I got little one at home that's better, but...
Thanks. Yeah.
They're pretty cool. The ocarina. Oh my god, Nathan.
He is on
Gutter.
That's awesome.
That's what happened here. One of those.
Alright, well, thank you.
Hello, Fred.
Whatever. Yeah, I think so. I think we both. That's okay. That's what we do here. That's the best person to get insulted by, though. To be fair, like that's
Too true. That's actually something to brag about.
Sorry. Yeah, they're like paid for labor. Yeah, oh, I love that. I know, I was bouncing along.
Okay, I've really got to start paying attention to those branches. I said I took over.
One of us. One of us. You said you don't know?
Yeah, I was saying I don't know why I was took over.
I said, pay attention, will you? And you're like, I don't know.
Yeah, I would have gone bigger. I would have regretted it.
That was fun to play.
Welcome.
You said it.
I did. Oh my god, pirates.
Yes.
I want those.
She's a very prolific photographer.
I don't even know when I took that.
I love that picture. Did you see it? Look at
I
that.
did see that.
Fucking Christ, Jillian.
I don't even know when I took that.
Oh, Julie.
What the heck?
Oh, cool.
Why did you take that one?
My face looks so weird.
Oh, those are hot.
I wonder why.
Smells like lemon. Oh. Oh, I want that. God, why'd I spend all my money on fucking booze?
Those are big boots. Holy moly.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, what else do you think goes to do?
Wow.
Thank you. There's a gay pirate hat.
Whoa.
Come out of there. That goes really well with your car.
I legit want this just to wear in my regular fucking life. I know. It'd be great if I did Pink Friday. I got one of these in my car.
She's funny. She's like, we both need a bag. I don't know what we're doing on that. We both need one.
That's funny.
I'll order it. I'm gonna buy it for myself for my birthday in February.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the plan. So I can contact you guys on Instagram to find out when you're around. Okay. You guys wouldn't have to have a local shop. Like, you know, just do fairs.
Whatever.
Okay. That's okay. Thank you.
Occasionally we supply feathers to okay,
You're not buying.
What's that over there? Oh, you actually look.
I did. Well.
Feel free.
Dude.
The those have how to quantify. On the back end, there's holes. It's because these are Chicago screw back things. We designed these to put in holes.
I'll
and
still
things.
give you guys a
your
call.
birthday,
Thank you.
Belts. Anywhere where you want to put something and you don't want it to fall off.
Thank you. I'll hug him if he doesn't think
Yeah,
it's weird.
603.
Do you think it's weird if she gives you a hug?
We do all the metal work ourselves. 9454.
Oh, wait.
Oh my god, that's cool.
Thank you. Solid copper.
Now, do you want to say
Happy
happy
birthday! Merry Christmas! Happy birthday!
Yeah.
Oh my
How do I Quantimus?
Happy every holiday for the next 6 years.
Quantimus.
There we go. Chris Mahalo.
And birthday!
Oh, festivus for the rest of it.
Yeah.
Happy that too.
Bush Festa!
Happy
There you go.
Have a good day, okay?
Best day ever!
Now we need to get you a vest. It would be the best day ever.
The best one.
No, you need a vest.
What's that?
I said you need a vest, so it's the best day ever.
There you go. No, what?
You didn't have to do that.
Looks really good.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, did you show it to?
Alright, now what?
There's a cow hungry.
Where?
What the fuck? Oh my
There's a
god!
cow humping a pole. We're both like, what?
Sorry.
Sorry.
We're good.
up here. That's all.
That was pretty good.
I know.
That was
Don't
pretty
die.
good. I was looking at the headless guy over there, and she was just getting on the pole.
That's amazing.
Just getting on the pole. Is he headless over there? He looks headless.
No, he just has a vest on
Yeah.
and a hat.
Okay.
That would be quite the costume.
There, I'm carrying it.
What are you carrying?
My
Oh, it
hat.
looks cool over the cowl. I like it.
You want a picture with the cow man?
I think I'm
Cow
good.
with a cow. Cow with a cow. What?
What's your reaction?
Is there a cow with a cow?
He's like this. He's walking backwards and sideways at the same time. Like, I don't know
Well, the cow was still
I can't even do that. How the heck did he do that? Look at that.
Relatable. ADD, bro. Leave me hanging.
Sorry, I didn't
The
realize.
ADD, bro.
before that, you said relatable.
Relatable. Yeah, no.
Inflatable.
Inflatable. Yeah, that's what I think.
I like those two.
Harry
Yeah,
Potter.
You sure he doesn't have ADD too?
Probably. I think all of us probably have a little bit. Jill has the most. I can't believe I got as bad as you. It's not working. That is pretty. Oh my god, this dragon joke.
I don't know what
You got
HD is, but they told me I had 80 of them.
I feel like if you got them, you have to get them like bed or something like that.
Yes.
I like-
Oh my god.
Wait, is that Infinity Stones?
I see it.
I
Ooh,
get
the
out.
Balrog.
Oh my God.
That's nice.
That is nice.
That's from the Hobby
Lord of the Rings.
Hobby Potter.
Hobby Potter. Hobby Potter. Okay.
I thought he said.
Now we need to have a party. It's Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter and called the Hobby Potter party.
I thought he called it Hubby Potter.
Oh, nice. There we
Love
go.
the hats. Did you just get next door?
Yeah, they bought it.
Do you have any questions on any of your prices? I'm happy to help.
I'm gonna have a picture of this real quickly.
I can give you a card. One time.
Oh, you have a card. Oh, good. Thank you. Dragon with a card.
Oh, that's cool.
Guys, get a card. No, that's just a dragon.
What? What, Joe?
Okay, cool. So I don't gotta. I can do that. Thank you. I like your cloak, by the
I
way.
wasn't a card myself so I could let the.
You want a card too?
I know.
Do you
My
paint?
friend Steve does everything. He's at New York Comic Con right now, so.
Oh, no.
Oh, I didn't know that was already going on.
Kind of.
We were just talking about Comic Con.
His friends and his playmates are 1 for 50.
Really nice.
And if you wanted to get anything and not carry around all day, you can leave it with me and just grab it on your way out.
I like the hotels at Disneyland.
The only thing is, I wouldn't know where to put them when we were on home.
Right.
Well, I'm totally hitting you guys
We
up
need
as
more
I
wall.
build my PC.
Yeah.
Ceiling.
Yeah. Ceiling. But right
There
next to
you
the mirror.
go.
Yeah, we don't put it in ceiling,
Right
Nate.
next to the
I
mirror.
still thought I was great. I said I did that with the window boom closed and I still thought I was great.
Ah.
He's pretty straight or not?
Yeah, honestly, yeah. Legit, I joke. I'm like, I could fake it for Legolas.
I don't think
Not that much, no. Not with the wig. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm totally getting one of these when I build my PC. I can't today, but I got that.
Yeah.
It'll be great under the mouse keyboard and stuff.
That was cool too.
That one looks
I'm happy
really.
to help. I like the one at the end. Look.
That one's pretty.
I like the Phoenix.
It's like a rock.
Phoenix is pretty cool.
You guys also
It looks like a baby.
I like her ears.
Thank you. Like your ears, what do you say?
Yeah, your ears are really cool.
Thank you. Sorry, thank you. Roger, we have mom kids.
And I fall down the stairs.
Oh my goodness.
I go right there. Help keep going.
I saw what happened to you, so I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna take it. What? That's fine.
I said, watch your step and I step that way.